Jai Hind. Hello my dear viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Genuine Funda. Today I am going to discuss some important basic mathematical points like a shortcut technique of multiplication. Multiplication tricks by 9, 99 and 999. 8576 into 9 equal what? We all know the normal technique of this multiplication, but today we learn and teach shortcut technique of this multiplication. Then time will also be saved in our competitive exams. Let's start without wasting time. 8576 into 9 equal what? Write down one digit number 0 for one digit number 9 besides original number 8576 minus 8576 equal 77184. 857667 into 99 equal what? Write down 00 for 99 besides original number 857667 minus 857667 equal 84909033. 857667 into 999 equal what? Write down 000 for 999 besides original number 857667 minus 857667 equal 85680933. Multiplication tricks by 99, 999, 4th 9 and 5th 9. 99 into 5 equal what? 99 into 5, 9 5s are 45. Write down one digit number 9 for two digit number of 9 between 4 and 5. So answer is 495. 999 into 6 equal what? 9 6s are 54. 54. Write down 99 for 999 between 5 and 4. So answer is 5994. 4th 9 into 7 equal what? Write down 9 into 7 equals 63. Write down 999 for 4th 9 between 6 and 3. Answer is 69993. 5th 9 into 8. Write down 9 into 8 equals 72. Write down 4th 9 for 5th digit number of 9 between 7 and 2. So answer is 7, 4th 9, 2. Multiplication tricks by 99. 99 into 77 equal what? 75 minus 1 equals 74. This 74. And 74 9 minus 7, this 7 equal 2. And 9 minus 4, this 4 equal 5. That is 25. Write down 25 besides 74. So answer is 7425. 99 into 337 equal what? 337 minus 1 equal minus 3 equal 336 minus 3 equal 333. Write down 333 and 36. This 36. 9 minus 3. This 3 equal 6 and 9 minus 6. This 6 equal 3. That is 63. Write down 63 besides 333. 99 into 1442 equal what? 1442 minus 1 minus 14 equal 1441 minus 14 equal 1427. Write down 1427 and 41. This 41. 9 minus 4. This 4 equal 5 and 9 minus 1. This 1 equal 8. That is 58. Write down 58 besides 1427. Multiplication by 11, 101 and 1001. 8576 into 11 equal what? Write down 0 for 11 besides original number 8576 plus 8576 equal 94336. Similarly, 45789 into 11 equal what? Answer is 503679. 85766 7 into 101 equal what? Write down 00 besides original number 857667. 00 for 101 plus 857667 equal 8662437. 85767 into 1001 equal what? Write down 000 for 1001 besides 85767 plus original number 85767 equal 858524667. Thank you for watching my video. If you want to soft copy of this video, then check the description box and click the link to get PDF file. Next time I will discuss more informative mathematical video. My dear viewers, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Also likes, comments and share.